Question number 10, we just want to find the derivative of the given function. We have y equals x to the third times the quantity 2 minus ln natural log of x to the third. All right, so either way we do this, we will have to do the product rule, even if we distribute it. So we just do the product rule, y prime. So power rule here. Well, we'll do 1d2 plus 2d1. So first I'm going to write the first function, x cubed 1, and then we're going to take the derivative of the second. Well, this is going to be 0. Derivative of ln is going to be 1 over the argument, so it'd be x cubed, and then times the derivative of the argument, which will give us 3x squared. So 1 first function times the derivative of the second. That's the process. Sorry, can't see that. 1d2 plus 2d1. This is what I'm calling the formula to work this out. So first times the derivative of the second plus the second, so it's going to be this. Second times the derivative of the first. Derivative of the first will be 3x squared. All right, so when we simplify here, we will have a x to the third times, and this will be a negative 3x squared over x to the third plus, we can distribute, or I'll just leave it here, 3x squared times 2 minus ln of x to the third. And we can multiply, that will cancel out these two. So simplifying, we'll have a negative 3x squared plus 3x squared times this quantity. And then if we want, we can also factor out the 3x squared. So that will give me 3x squared times 1 plus 2 minus ln x to the third. And 1 plus 2 will give you 3. So final answer will be 3x squared. 3 minus ln of x cubed. So y prime simplified. X squared, 3 minus ln x to the third. Okay, something it doesn't like. We call derivative of ln x with respect to x. It's just 1 over x. That's just the rule. So let's double check, make sure there's nothing wrong. So we have x to the third. Make sure we wrote everything around. X to the third, 2 minus ln of x to the third, 1 derivative. So you got to do chain rule. Outside times the inside. That's 3x squared. There it is, a negative. And then that is negative 2d1. All right, that looks good because you'll distribute. The times 0 just goes away. That's why it's still negative. That looks good. So I'm having a negative. Oh, because when I factor out here, this should be a negative 1. Lost that sign. And then 1 minus sorry, 2 minus 1 should be a 1. So this 3 that I have here should be a 1. So I got to be careful on that sign. That should be 1. So let's change that to a 1. And then we're good.